You're hearing that annoying camera rattle noise in your Pixel 10 Pro videos, and we're going to fix it right now. This guide targets that distracting OIS sound and gives you clear, professional audio in your recordings again. If disabling and re-enabling the OIS toggle in your camera settings doesn't silence the rattle, don't worry, the issue often lies deeper within system configurations, which brings us to our next method. We'll now check your microphone permissions to ensure no software conflicts are causing interference. After verifying all microphone access is granted, we'll restart the camera app to apply these changes and test for that telltale rattle. Should that still not resolve the problem, the next step involves tweaking developer options. Specifically, adjusting animation scales can sometimes reset background processes that might be causing the OIS to glitch. If the rattle persists even after these adjustments, we need to perform a clean slate for the camera app by clearing its cache and storage, and then reinstalling it entirely. This comprehensive approach ensures every potential software-related cause for the camera rattle is addressed, leading to pristine audio for your videos.